A major new study just revealed something incredible about brain health. Regularly listening to or playing music was found to cut dementia risk by up to 39%. This is huge. Music stimulates multiple brain systems at once: memory, emotion, movement, and connection. It bypasses areas of cognitive loss and reaches preserved emotional circuits that other tools cannot touch. Music is one of the most powerful, inexpensive tools a caregiver has. Use familiar songs from their teenage years to ease stress and create cooperation during daily tasks like bathing or dressing. Here's your 4-minute Alzheimer's and Dementia Weekly Brief, the fastest way to get the updates that matter. I'm Peter Berger from Alzheimer'sWeekly.com. Okay, let's switch gears to exciting science breakthroughs. Researchers explored a simple nutrient called arginine. This naturally occurring amino acid was tested in animal models of Alzheimer's. The results were striking. Oral arginine reduced harmful amyloid plaques and lowered brain inflammation in mice. While human trials are years away, this research offers genuine promise for simple, accessible future treatments that could support brain health. Diet remains your powerful tool today. You can actively use nutrition strategies to minimize cognitive decline. Focus on brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, oily fish, and walnuts. These contain critical nutrients associated with better cognition scores. The Mind diet, which includes berries and whole grains, benefits both the brain and the heart. If your loved one has a poor appetite, always check for physical causes first, like poor-fitting dentures or a necessary change in medication. Speaking of normalcy, the holiday season is approaching fast. Gatherings with family and friends often cause confusion and anxiety for people with dementia. To manage this, keep family visits small and intimate, focusing on small groups rather than overwhelming reunions. Always prepare a quiet, designated rest space ahead of time where your loved one can retreat if they become overwhelmed or agitated. Finally, remembering the essential need for laughter and light. We shared a video featuring a little old lady who shines a very funny light on the common challenges of aging. A shared, genuine laugh is a vital and often overlooked therapy for caregivers and families on this difficult journey. Take a breath and hold on to this week's thought. The real lessons in life are not found in the victory, but in the struggle. If you'd like more details on this week's updates, or if you want your free booklet, 15 Simple Things You Can Do to Care for a Loved One with Dementia, visit alzheimersweekly.com. Take good care, and I'll see you next week.